Mommy said that she would buy me a newborn for my birthday. This is our fourth boy that died.
Oh, look at that. Tiny's family. Close your face to Tiny boy.
You're hurting my underarm.
Smile. Oh, look at that. What happened to your face,
Wow!
guys?
Wait, Tiny bit our finger, now we're turning into him.
Okay. So Tiny bite you guys?
Yeah.
And that's what happened. Ah!
Tiny, our child!
Come back!
We can get you, we can get
Make your face bite.
Okay. Oh, done. Bird likes sitting on my nose bridge. You know why? Because it's kind of like a lounge area, so you can like sit down on it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah, like this. Hold on. 2 hands on the feet. Look, this is one sleeve. Don't ever poop. He dares poop. Quiet, Robson. He likes sitting. Can I do Quiet, Robson. No.
I know.
Tiny made me happy. Tiny, no. Tiny's dead. No, please wake up. I can't even open and close his neck. Look.
Give a chance for Robinson. Give a chance for Robinson.
He's
Even.
so cold. I'm gonna go take him on a walk.
Not yet, Mariah. Not yet.
Touch his
Mariah, you are not.
his legs.
You are not. Mariah, I want you to drink a water. I want you to eat your breakfast first. Come here, boy. I'll give you a chance to do.
Put him in here. His
No.
legs wait.
Mariah, give a chance to your brother.
Wait. No, I don't
No,
want. I
no.
want to go down soon. I want to cry again. Are you going down to Abigail? Oh my God, you're so small. Why are you doing this to me? Please. I love you so much.
Mariah, listen.
Yeah?
Tiny love you. And it's time somebody heard that they're sick and they don't even show us. At least she's showing before, girl, and she survived because of you.
I love you so much. It looks like he's sleeping, but he's dead. Mommy, I want to get a dog. Please. Dogs have longer life than birds. Please, and you always go on walks with Jessica and Daddy, remember? That's when you can take a poop and pee. Please.
Okay, we need
Because dogs have a longer lifespan than Tiny.
we need to talk about that.
I'll always remember you, okay? I'll always remember you. He's dead, guys. He's dead. I feel no heartbeat.
Can they show to them? We always give a kisses. You know, girl, we did everything, girl.
No, I hope you have fun in heaven with Alberta.
He's so happy.
With Puff.
He's so happy. He's so happy with you, girl, because you give him a kisses every day. And Mommy and Robinson.
I hope you have fun in heaven with Alberta. You have fun with Puff. You have fun with Chase. I hope you have fun with all the other birds that used to be your friend.
I'm sure he's waiting for you if you become old.
He's waiting.
You need to cry everything, Mariah, so that it's going to be done. I don't want you to be lonely and sad. You need to be sad every day, cry every day, and that's done.
Don't die, please. Still. I'm going to bring him outside. I'm going to bring him outside and we're going to walk around the street together and I'm not going to hold him. He's going to sit down in my hand.
It's okay, we give you 1 day for doing that.
And I'm going to let him walk around.
Remember,
You're so cold.
remember his TikTokers? You always do a TikTok. Thank you, Tiny.
Thank you for the happiest day of my life.
Thank you for giving a happy.
I love you so much. Please, boy. You made me cry today, Tiny. Please. You please.
We love you, Tiny.
He lost his tail.
We love you so much.
And he lost his head feather.
So that is the sign, girl, that
And
he has a
his
problem because
leg.
the neck has no feather, the tail is gone. So that's the sign, girl. I'm very
I'm
sorry.
holding you. I'm holding you. Stand up.
I'm very sorry for saying bad thing.
Stand up. Daddy says, watch, something will happen and you will see. You will see. He's the one who wanted Tiny to die.
No, he just kept giving you a warning so that you will not sleep with Tiny. Guys, Mariah is sleeping with Tiny, but the nest is hanging in the bed. But today, it's like a sign. It's like a sign that it's going to be gone because Mariah wants totally to sleep beside him. It's totally sad, but he's sleeping with the nest. It's
I
like
kept having bad dreams about Tiny dying, and then Tiny is dying, and then somebody would grab him, and then I would never see him again.
that's a sign for your angel to let you know that
I'm
something
going to,
wrong with him.
I hope God takes care of him.
The problem of
He's so cold. He's so cold. I'm gonna put
the
him
problem of the bird, guys, you don't even say goodbye. You don't even say goodbye, Tiny. We were sad
Mommy, you
now.
remember when Daddy and Rosa were watching the pumpkin patch with me? I brought Tiny's nest in there and he was watching with me.
Aww.
And then he died today.
Oh.
You're please. Don't give up yet. You can still make it if you... Hold on.
Mariah, I already talked to you, right? That you need to be strong and if the pet is
I
die.
know, but now I have nobody with me at home. I have nobody with me. When Daddy got mad at me before, I got nobody but Tiny to help me. He's dead, guys. He's so cold. I don't want to give up on him yet, Mommy. Can we just put him in maybe his food for a little bit? And then maybe he'll wake up.
Just keep holding him.
Come here. Please, just wake up. Wake up, please. I know you're only 2 years old.
You don't even say goodbye, Tiny.
Maybe it's because of last night, Mommy. Because last night, remember? He flew and...
Same thing also. We woke up and they're dead. Cannot even say goodbye. Sister Hardwan, I thought you
Turn
survived,
the
Tiny.
look at the rotation. It's
Remember, we
turning.
made a video for you that you survived.
Oh no. Are you ready?
No, Tiny.
Oh, jeez.
You're totally there.
You're so cute, baby. Oh, what happened?
Oh, he's running.
You like
Oh,
it?
Tiny. Grandma's alone
Really?
already, Tiny.
Oh no. Oh no. Look here, I need to
I'm
treadmill.
happy that I gave you kisses every day.
It's a treadmill.
Exercise, exercise. You eat too much bird food. You need to
Hopefully,
exercise.
you're happy that you
Yeah.
came in our life here.
It can't see him. Over the other side.
You're the
You
first bird
need
that
to
we gave the
exercise.
kisses
You need to
and
exercise.
hugs.
Exercise. Leah's
You
weight.
let us
You need
to
lose weight.
do that.
I'm not
A
calling
lot
you
of
fat.
birds.
Just need to
It's
lose
hard to
weight.
train, but Mariah, you let
Are you
Mariah
ready?
to
Good
train.
exercise, Tiny.
And we can give you a hug. We need a light there.
Oh, good job, Tiny.
He's burning out his energy before he goes to bed. Uh-oh, he's finding a strategy how to stop himself.
I'm going to.
What a smart
Hey!
What a smart bird.
Stand, please.
Okay, time to sleep, Tiny. Time to sleep. Good night, Grandma. Okay,
The
go
other
now.
bird.
Go upstairs. Oh, look at that.
Baby, I don't know what happened to Pup. He just left in 2 days. What?
What do you want to say? Oh, nice bum bum.
Okay, upstairs, guys. Upstairs.
Penny's letting us touch it.
Yeah, and we need.
Oh, he's sleeping.
Bye-bye, Tiny.
Did you know Tiny
We
tried
love you so
eating the
much.
rocks?
It's ice cold, guys.
Did you know, Mommy? I brought Tiny to the rocks and he started eating it. And one got in.
What Tiny loves, girl? He loves to do the head like this, right?
Me and Tiny are
the neck.
going in the tree house.
He loves mauling.
He love it.
He loves mauling. That's why I think the bird doesn't want to go with the human because
He's so cute.
it's hard for them to
There's Daddy
survive
Robinson.
because
That's
it's
Daddy.
not good for their body, I think. So once you train them,
Oh, no,
girl,
it's 3 minutes. Oh, 30.
so after you say hi,
Oh, look at, oops.
so say bye-bye. I think if we have a
want to
new
swim.
bird, okay? Not too much mauling.
He's dead. He's so cold.
I want to see if I go really high with him.
We had Puff and we had Chase, and now Tiny's dead.
We have 3 birds died, right?
Yeah.
It's tricky.
It's Halloween, guys. We're doing pumpkin there, but we're sad today. Very sad.
He's dead.
Here's the doctor. Thank you, Doc, for coming. So, do you think our bird can survive?
This is bigger than the board.
Or he's dead already?
He's dead.
He's dead?
Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling, Doc? No, he's dead. Oh, Doc, you are such a mean
We should
dog.
have done a Squid Game pumpkin.
What? Is it going to be the squirrel?
Oh, that's really sad, boy.
We love you, boy. We love you, Tiny.
I'm so scared.
I always give a kisses to Tiny and Mariah. We love you, boy. We love you so much.
He only has a little bit of a smell now. He's disappearing. He doesn't have a strong smell anymore. Come here.
Because he's dead. After this, no more kissing, okay?
Kiss him one more time.
I know we give kiss now.
Let me.
Okay, give us a
Let's kiss one more time.
Cool. He's as cool as Santa Claus. That's in the North Pole right now.
Tiny has never became cold.
But the coldest memory he has.
We love you, Tiny.
All this stuff all over the floor, so they'll let you do
Goodbye,
that.
Tiny.
Guys, I'm so sad.
Oh no!
Guys, I'm so sad. Guys,
Tiny died. He was so cute, but now he died.
I was crying.
You
Feel how cold he is. You can't even feel a heartbeat. You feel a heartbeat?
No.
That's how I know he's dead. And look, he won't open up his eyes.
Yeah.
And look at how floppy his head is.
We're waiting for you guys to have
We were waiting for you
burial.
all day so we could do a
Okay. Abigail, what can you say to Tiny?
He wants to prepare a gift for him for his funeral. Let's go make him a funeral. Let's go. Come. Get him outside.
Olivia will check the heart of Tiny.
Feel the heart. Check the heart. Careful.
Doctor,
You hear anything?
doctor, what
What do you
happened?
hear?
He's still alive? No?
He's
dead?
Come. Let's
Okay,
decorate.
it's ready to...
Let's put this inside first, and then we can decorate it with paper. Mommy, where did you put mine? I had another
Maya,
one.
we're not putting the plastic here because it's not, plastic it will not go into...
Yes.
No.
I don't want him to go in there. I don't want him to discriminate. I want him to have a comfy house, and then he will live here for the rest of his life. Because now let's make him a drawing.
So in the future you can see his skeleton?
No, he doesn't. I won't see.
Yeah,
his-
plastic is...
No, it's okay. I don't want to. I want to see him in the future. Come on, Abigail.
He's not a-
What do you want to write for him?
He's not a model.
Tell me what you want to write for him. Is that it? Is that it?
Ask Olivia what you want to say.
Oh,
Olivia, what do you want to say to Tiny? Come here. Mariah is writing. They put their love, Abigail. So Olivia time now.
you are cute. Tiny died, and we made him a bag, and we put him inside. We're burying Tiny now. I hope if we ever sell the house, can we bring this bag with us?
No, right, this is where he's buried. You don't move dead things around.
Mommy moved.
It's different story. Okay, hold on. Let me level it off.
That Robinson. I want to.
You can stop that now if you want. You done? Okay.
No, stop for a moment.
Here, let me do it.
Look, I'm making a gravestone.
A gravestone? Okay, let's go get some rocks.
What? I know what a gravestone has on it. I had the day you died. Making gravestones for time.
I made this one in the middle, October 30th to, May 9th to October 30th. And where I made this is Alberta. And this is Alberta. Alberta died too.
I see a bottle.
They were making
I also hear.
Huh?
I want to hear.
This is Alberta. This is my other bird.
I want to see.
No, I can't.
Head in the clouds, and I'm not coming down. I used to swim, I'm ready to sink. I wanna give you what I cannot do. Head in the clouds, and I'm not coming down. I used to swim, I'm ready to sink.
Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!